Hello my dear students, in the last class we have discussed international system, Indian system of numeration, and today we are going to discuss Roman numbers. So what is that? Roman numbers. In day-to-day life, we are going to use the numbers are there 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the numbers. We call it as Hindu-Arabic numbers. What are that? Hindu-Arabic numbers. But in ancient times in Rome, they have used Roman numbers. So Roman numbers by using 7 letters of English. So what are that letters? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. By using these 7 letters, they can write the Roman numbers. So what are the numbers? 1, 3, 10, 20. So day to day we are using these numbers. So what are these numbers? These numbers are Hindu-Arabic numbers. So these are Hindu-Arabic numbers. But by using these 7 letters of English, so we can write the Roman numbers. So see here, so these are the Roman numbers and these are the Hindu-Arabic numbers, that is we are using day to day. So these are the few numbers that I have written here. So 1 means 1i, 2 means 2i, 3 means 3i, 4 means here 4, here V value is 5. So V value is 5 now. So if you return the smaller value before to the larger value, you can subtract the smaller value from greater number. Okay, I will write down the rows later here. Okay, so these are the Roman numbers. 5 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and general symbols. These are the 7 letters. By using these 7 letters, you can write the different Roman numbers. 1 means 1, I means 1, B means 5. Just remember all these. Okay, V means 5, X means 10, L means 50, C means 100, D means 500, and M means 1000. Okay, just copy this in your notebook. Okay, you have to remember these 7 letters and their numbers. Okay, rules to write a Roman number. So this is first rule. So what is the rule? A symbol can be repeated to a maximum of 3 times. Maximum you can use 3 times. Repetition of numbers means you have to repeat the numbers. Repetition means you have to add the numbers. Addition. Repetition means addition. And then which letters you can repeat? Only these 4 letters. That is 4 numbers. What are the numbers? I means 1, X means 10, C means 100, M means 1000. Only these letters can be repeated. Okay. So take one example here. So I means 1 no. Here how many times repeated? 3 times. Maximum 3 times. That means 1 plus 1 plus 1. So what is the value of 1 plus 1 plus 1? 3 no. So this is 3 in Roman numbers. Let's take another example. X. So what is the value of X? X means 10 no. 10 plus 10. By repetition is addition no. That is 10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10, that is 20 no. So 20, this one in Roman numbers, XX. Okay, next take another example. So first, what is the value of M? M means 1000 no. So 1000 plus again how many times? 3 times. Maximum 3 times no. 1000 plus 1000. So what you get the answer? 1000, 1000, 1000. Total 3000. So we can write 3000 in Roman numbers as M. Okay, but we can't use this. plus 5 10, no. 10 value is x, no. So we can't write pb. We can repeat only these four letters, that are I, X, C and M. Okay, this is the first rule. Go on writing all the rules. If a symbol of lower value is placed after the symbol of greater value, the values are added. Okay, I will explain you. So take an example here. L is equal to x. Okay. Lower value is placed after the greater value. So these are the lower values. Why? Because x means 10, double x means that is 20, no? But these are smaller values. No? Why? Because L value is that is 50, no? So L value is 50. Here smaller value, this is larger value. Smaller value is placed after the greater value. That means you have to add the numbers. So L value is 50, no? 50 plus x means 10. Again x means 10, no? So what will be the answer? 50 plus 10, 60. 60 plus 10, 70. So you can write 70 as LXX. Why? Because L is 50, 60, 70. Okay. Take another example. Smaller. So these are the smaller values. You can write smaller values placed after greater value means you can add the numbers. So V value is 5 plus I value is 1, but how many times? 3 times. So write 3 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1. And 5 plus 1 6 plus 7 plus 8. So 8. So you can write 8 as a V I. Take another one. C X. So smaller value is placed after greater value only. So what is the value of C? C means 100, no? C means 100. What about X value is 10. So add it 10 plus 10 plus 10. So what will be the answer? 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. 100 plus 30, 130. 130. So we can write 130 as CXX. X. How many times? 3 times. Maximum 3 times. You can use the letters. Only 34 letters. So third one is if a symbol of lower value is placed before the symbol of greater value. Okay. Before the greater value, the smaller value is subtracted from greater value. Okay. So first take an example here. So first, when you are observing a Roman number, first in that Roman number, first is the greater value. Okay. Here 1 is greater or 4 is greater. V means that is 5. So 5 is greater. Okay. So smaller value is placed before. Placed before means you can subtract. Okay. Before means subtraction. If you the smaller value is placed after the greater value, you can add. So here smaller value is placed before. Before means you can subtract the smaller value from greater value. So here subtraction, that means V value is 5 minus what is the value of I? I means 1. 1 means 5 minus 1 means that is 4. That is 4. So next take another one. So here which one is greater value? X is greater value. X means 10. So here smaller value is placed before. Before means subtraction. X means 10 minus 1. No, that is 1. That is 9. So take third one, XC. So here which one is smaller? x is smaller no, that is placed before the greater value. Why? Because c value is 100, x value is 10. So we have to subtract. So c value is 100 minus what is the value of x? X value is 10 no, that is 100 minus 10, that is 90. Okay. So first, when you observing any Roman number, first observe the greater value. Okay. After that, see the smaller value where it comes, placed after or before. If it is placed before to the greater value, you have to subtract. If the smaller value is placed after the greater value, you can add numbers. So next one, I can be subtracted from v and x only. So that means I can be subtracted only from these two letters v and x, and x can be subtracted from only these two letters. What are the letters? L and C, and C can be subtracted from D and M only. Okay, take one example, then only you get to understand the rule. I can be subtracted from only v and x. So here now only I expect no that one. Smaller value is placed before to the greater value, that means subtraction no. So 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 means that is 4 no. Like that I can be subtracted from x also. So x, that is 10 no. 10 minus 1 means that is 9. So I can be subtracted only from v and x. So next, x can be subtracted from L and C no. So L is placed before to the larger value, that is L value is 50 no, x value is 10. So before the subtraction, L value 50, that is 50 minus 10. So what will get the answer? 50 minus 10, that is 40 no. 50 minus 10, 40. Otherwise x can be subtracted from C. So C value is 100 minus 10, that is 90 no. So we can write 90 as xc. So next, third one, C can be subtracted from D and M. So D and M no. So place C before to the D. So D, what is the value of D? D value is 500 no? 500. So C value is 100. So smaller value is placed before to the larger value. So that means subtraction. 500 minus 100. So what will get the answer? That is 400 no? 500 minus 100, 400. Again, C can be subtracted from another letter, that is M no? C M. So how to write this one? C value is 100, M value is 1000. That means subtraction is 1000 minus 100. That is 900. Okay. So these are the 4 rules of writing a Roman numbers. So one example, write numeric numerals for the Roman numerals. So how to convert this one? So first take first one, C L I X. So what I said that first observe the greater values. So greater value is first, C is 100 no? L means 50. This one is 1 and 10 is there. So first observe this one. Okay. So 1 is placed before to the 10, that means we have to subtract from this one. But these two numbers are greater values. So first write down the number. C value is 100, L value is that is 50. Now, so what is the value of this number? X and 1. 1 is placed before to the larger value, that is 10. Subtraction no, that is 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. So 100 plus 50, 150 plus 9 no, 10 minus 1, 9. So 159. So this is the way of converting the Roman number to Hindu Arabic So next these one L, X, 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 V, I. So first smaller values here after place to the greater value. So V is smaller value to the X. So X is smaller value to the L. So write down that numbers. Place after means you have to add the numerals. L means 50. X means 10, that is 10 plus 10 plus 10. Why are you using 10? Because smaller values are placed after the greater value. So you can add the numerals. Next, V means 5 plus 1 plus 1. So add all these numbers. 50 plus 10, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87. So what is that number? 87. Okay. So next D, C, L, X, V. So here letters are decreasing. No? Decreasing means here greater values are there. D means what is the value of D? D means 500. No? 500, 100, 50, 10, 5. That means smaller values placed after the greater values. That means you have to add the numerals. So D means 500 plus C value is 100, L means 50, X value 10 and V value is 5. So now add these numbers. 500 plus 100, 600, 650, 660, 665. Okay, this is the way of converting the Roman numbers to Hindu Arabic numbers. So next, write the Roman numerals for the given numbers. So how to write a number in Roman numbers? So what is this number? So first 170. So 100. No? So first take 100. We can write 100 no again. Next, remaining number is 70. So 70 is, we can take it as 50 plus 20 no? 50 plus 20. So 50. Next, 100, 150. Remaining is 20 no? 20. How can you write the 20? X, X. You can write it as X, X no? X, X. That is equals to 30. So C, 100 means C. 50 means L, 50 means L, 20 means, so what is that? X, 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 X. So this one 2450. So how to write this one first? 2000. So write down 2000. Next 400. Give the 50. 400. How can you write 400? 400 means C. You can't take that 4 times. Only you can take 3 times. So D value is 500. 500 minus 100. That is 500 minus 100. So that is 400. 500 minus 100. 400. Next 2400 now. Next 50 means that is L no? 50. L. So 2000, okay, write that 2000. Tell me, yeah, 2000. Next, 500 minus means you have to place the smaller value before to the larger value. So 100 means that is C. 500 means that is D. No? D. So here smaller value is placed before to the larger value. So that is subtraction. Next 50. 50 means that is L no? So this is the Roman number. M, C, D, L. Next 24. So how can write the 24 plus 20? Otherwise you can write 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 plus 4. How can write that 4? 4 we can write it as 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, that is 4 more. So 10 plus 10 is, that is X. Here 1 is smaller value. That means you should place before to the larger value. 5 elements we know. This is 24. 10 plus 10 20. 5 minus 1 4. 24.